Hi girls and boys. Today we're going to read Bunny Cakes by Rosemary Wells. Looking at the front of the book, it almost looks like we're going to make a cake out of the bunny. What is he doing in that bowl? I don't think that's the case at all. Let's find out what kind of cake they make in Bunny Cakes. Bunny Cakes by Rosemary Wells. So I'm looking at this front page, and it looks like it's a piece of notebook paper, and it's written almost in crayon. And then we have two pictures. It was Grandma's birthday. Max made her an earthworm birthday cake. "No, Max," said Max's sister, Ruby. "We are going to make Grandma an angel surprise cake with raspberry fluff icing." Max wanted to help. "Don't touch anything, Max," said Ruby. But it was too late. Ruby sent Max to the store with a list that said eggs. Oh, it's on that same notebook paper. The one that had the title and the pictures? What did you think those pictures were? I think that the earthworm birthday cake is that one. Maybe that's the one that Ruby said they were going to make. The angel surprise cake with raspberry fluff icing? Let's find out. So when Ruby said, "Don't touch anything, Max," I wonder why. Was it because Max makes a mess? He dropped the eggs. So Ruby had sent Max to the store with a list that said eggs. Max wanted red-hot marshmallow squirters for his earthworm cake, so he wrote red-hot marshmallow squirters on the list. Did he really? There's Ruby's word, eggs. Here's Max's. Are those words? No. The grocer could not read Max's writing. This is the grocer. He's the guy that works at the grocery store. "Eggs," said the grocer, and he gave Max eggs. Max brought the eggs home to Ruby. "Don't bump the table, Max," said Ruby. But it was too late. Ruby sent Max back to the store with a list that said milk. Yeah, because he'd spilt the milk. This time, Max wrote red-hot marshmallow squirters in a different way. Max hoped and hoped for his squirters, but the grocer still couldn't read Max's writing. "Milk," said the grocer, and he gave Max milk. Max brought the milk home to Ruby. "There's a yellow line on the floor, Max," said Ruby. "You can't step over that line." Why does Ruby not want Max to help her make the cake? Yeah, he keeps messing it up. How? He's spilling things and making a mess? Like what? Well, like the eggs. First it was the eggs, then it was the milk, and now this time, Max crossed the line anyway, and over went the flour. Ruby got out her pencil and wrote, get your mouth ready for the first letter, flour. This time, Max wrote red-hot marshmallow squirters in the most beautiful writing he knew. Max could almost taste the marshmallow squirters. "Flour," said the grocer, and he gave Max flour. What is the problem in this story? Max wants red hot marshmallow squirters, and he can't seem to tell the grocer. Why? Because he doesn't know how to write? Because Ruby's older than him, and when she writes, she's using words and letters. When Max got home, there was a sign on the kitchen door. "Max, the kitchen is no place for you," said Ruby. Ruby finished up the cake. Where was Max? Those are his ears. He must be outside. It's important to look at all the illustrations and get all of our clues. Let's look carefully at the sign on the kitchen door. Do you think Max knows what that means? Yeah, we've all seen that circle with the line through it. That means no. And that's a picture of Max. No Max. So even without using letters to make words, Ruby still got her message through. So she finished up that cake without him, and she baked it and cooled it and iced it with raspberry fluff frosting. "It needs something else, Max," said Ruby. "Birthday candles, silver stars, sugar hearts, buttercream roses," wrote Ruby. Meanwhile, Max had a brand new idea. So let's look very carefully at this illustration. There's Ruby writing her list for the birthday candles, for the silver stars and sugar hearts, and for the buttercream roses. This is where Max gets his idea. He's about to go to the store again to get that list. I wonder what he's going to do this time to try to tell the grocer about those red hot marshmallow squirters. What was the idea? He drew a picture of red hot marshmallow squirters on Ruby's list, and he ran to the grocer. He could not wait. "Birthday candles, silver stars, sugar hearts, buttercream roses," said the grocer. "What's this? Why, it must be red hot marshmallow squirters." So did the grocer understand the list now? Yes. Even when we don't know yet how to use our letters to make words, you can draw a picture to help. Absolutely. Ruby's cake looked just beautiful. Max went out and put caterpillar icing on his earthworm cake. Grandma was so thrilled, she didn't know which cake to eat first. So here we've got the earthworm birthday cake, and it's got red hot marshmallow squirters on it. And then we've got the cake that Ruby made. Which cake do you think that you would want to eat?